File structure. In this tutorial, we will discuss the file structure. Before we go into this lesson, first I want to ask a question. What is a file? A file is a collection of information with a particular format. The anatomy of the file is explained as the file name and file extension. File name is the first part of the file and is used to distinguish or identify the file, that is, File 1, File 2, Report 1, etc. Whereas file extension is the second part of the name of the file and is 3 characters long, e.g., file1.doc, file1.jpg, file1.rar, file1.bmp, etc. The file format is a universal file format. Universal file formats. These are file formats that are used worldwide or universally, and we cannot change them to suit our ease. These formats are generated automatically while saving the files in the program or software or operating system, such as .doc, .exe, .txt, .jpg, .psd, .avi, etc. There are few formats which come under the interoperability type, like BMP file, HTML file, JPG file. The file with these formats can be used and edited in other programs as well. The general file formats that we use mostly or come across frequently are .txt. This file format is used in Notepad or Unicode raw text files. .rtf. This file format represents the WordPad or rich text format. If you save any file in WordPad automatically, it is saved in the .rtf format. .doc. This file format represents the Microsoft Word program. .html or .htm. This file format represents the hypertext markup language. .ttf or .ttc. TrueType font represents the font format. .bmp. Bitmap formatted image and represents the Microsoft Paint format. .ppt. This represents the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file format. .xls. This file format represents Microsoft Excel. The file size is nothing but the size of the file occupied in the operating system. The units are measured as kilobytes, KB, megabytes, MB, gigabytes, GB, and the latest is terabytes, TB. But in most of the domestic system, you will come across KB, MB, and rarely GB.